Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frame small full guide. Measure the available space and mark the maximum outer dimensions, then plan to trim molding, matting, or digital borders to fit. Work slowly and test fit after each change, using clamps or tape to hold pieces. Keep original proportions when possible, and document measurements for future reference to avoid mistakes. Use appropriate tools and safety gear to cut and sand edges smoothly. Start by collecting the right tools and replacement materials before you begin any trimming. Inspect the existing frame for joints and reinforcement needs, then decide whether to trim molding or replace the mat. If cutting wood trim, make test cuts and sand slowly for a clean edge. For delicate frames, clamp and support pieces during work to prevent warping and avoid rushing any step to keep artwork safe and straight. Focus on iterative adjustments rather than large cuts to avoid irreversible mistakes. Remove the frame backing and glass, then trim a little at a time, testing the fit frequently. When altering the mat, measure twice and cut once for a neat sight line. Reassemble carefully, using corner clamps or braces for square alignment, and seal with minimal adhesive to allow future tweaks or reversals if needed for preservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.